Hey, it's Rose Day. It's time for a beginner friendly makeup. So let's get started. First, apply your moisturizer all over your. Then with the concealer, conceal your. Don't forget to blend it evenly. Now it's time for foundation. Apply all over your face. Set it with setting powder to get that smooth effect. Now it's time for blush. Apply all over your cheek and don't forget nose. Now apply concealer over your eyelid and blend. Now apply eyeshadow and blend it well. There should be no crease. Now it's time for some kajal. Apply it under your eye. Don't bother if it is uneven because we're going to blend it. Quickly do the other eye. Voila! Also apply on the above waterline. Now taking a brown shade eyeshadow, apply it under your eye. Now it's time for some highlight. Apply it above your cheek where you have applied blush. And yeah, don't forget to apply your lipstick and do your brows and loads of mascara. And I'm ready. But you don't forget to subscribe and save the video for later. See you guys. Happy Rose Day.